Imagine you are having an idea to design a new car, an idea to design a new drone that can change your future. But how can you convert that particular idea from a sketch on paper into real life design? How can we do that? Over here, SolidWorks step in. SolidWorks can be your partner to convert your ideas, your thoughts from a design into real life objects. Most of the objects that we can see, like from a medical equipments up to the different parts of the satellites, have been designed into SolidWorks. So basically friends, SolidWorks is not just only a software, it is a tool used by mechanical engineers to create something new and turn your ideas into different useful designs.
बात तो सही है.
Let's go back in the history. Engineers were using different tools such as drafters to design, like from a conceptual design into reality. Basically, let's talk about the conventional design process. So let's say in a case of automobile engineering, suppose you have to design a new car. First we have to design its concept. The conceptual design takes place, its aerodynamics, its suspension system, its control system, its steerings, its braking systems. So all of the these are conceptuals. Then this conceptual design later converted into the some of the fine design, different components, part design. After that, overall layout is finalized, and then a wireframe or prototype is developed. But and after that, the testing of this automobile is carried out in a real life conditions. But friends, in this whole of the design process, the majority of the time, energy, cost will get consumed, and then final product is released. Over here friends, in case of SolidWorks, we are doing all of these steps into this software.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
We are doing modeling of a particular part, we are doing assembly of that particular part, checking the movements, its mechanisms of that particular part, checking about the different fits like transition fits, clearance fits into this software itself, testing it out, like how that particular part will work in real life scenario, stress analysis, its simulation testing, and then we can after simulation, after testing, we can just export all of this data in a particular part, or we can do export of a bill of material from that particular software which is known as SolidWorks. So friends, uh, in this particular video we are going to talk about SolidWorks only. Let's imagine Arjun, a young dynamic mechanical engineer, has just joined a automobile company. This automobile company specializes in manufacturing of suspension systems. Just like most of the companies in India, like Gabriel India, Global Automotive Components, Endurance Technologies. So these are the example of the some of the companies that manufacture suspension systems. So Arjun has joined one of this company, a leading company, and on a very first day, his manager gave him a task to design a suspension system that can handle the sturdiness of a road, Indian roads, that can handle, that can withstand uh, the load conditions of Indian roads. So Arjun, he is expert in SolidWorks. So he just quickly draw a particular design into SolidWorks. He quickly, assemble the different parts, models into SolidWorks. He has done the simulations, done the testing of it. He also assigned different materials such as the outer body, stainless steel, or as the different materials to his designs. And then he has done conceptual and then he has run the simulations. His design was ready in just hours. Arjun did this with the help of SolidWorks. So SolidWorks saved him a lot of time, energy, as well as cost. So friends, what makes SolidWorks special for mechanical engineers? First is 3D design. You can design a particular part or an assembly into SolidWorks. Next is motion study. You can assemble those parts together or sub assemblies, and you can see real time motion between different parts. Like a piston is moving into a cylinder, that is a real time movement. You can identify the gap, the clearance, or any interference into the design. Third one is the simulation. Once the part is designed, how that particular part is going to work in real life scenarios, is there any stress analysis, is there any stress is going to affect that particular part, the part is going to withstand the deformation or load condition or stress. So all of this study can be also taken into SolidWorks. This particular simulation is very much useful in aerospace designs or some of the designing of the impeller blades, some of the parts that is going to be, by considering application engineering, like the stress analysis, thermal analysis. And the last one is production ready. It helps to export the bill of material into a sub assembly or into an assembly. The you will get a direct bill of material getting exported through this particular software. Also, it will be easier for CAD CAM operations. Majority of the CAD CAM operations requires different file types. So that particular file types, those of the data, can be exported with the SolidWorks, and then it will get imported into different CAD CAM designs. So these are the special features of SolidWorks. SolidWorks is itself is a design, testing, and production lab which is there in a particular software. Friends, SolidWorks was first developed in 1993 by John Hirschig. He founded a company named SolidWorks Corporation. He was curious about the 3D modeling and 3D design that was easily accessible, affordable, and very easy to use on the Windows software. So he has launched different packages of SolidWorks such as a standard, professional, premium, with a very attractive price. The price ranges from 3 to 5 lakhs. So the price is so affordable that majority of the startups, majority of the small companies can afford this software. Also, a mechanical engineer should learn this 3D modeling software. Not only the SolidWorks, but also you can go for the Autodesk Inventor. Basically, friends, these two of the softwares, they go hand in hand. Like once you understood the SolidWorks, Inventor is also very easy. Well, the best part about the SolidWorks, it is not only just saving the time, energy, or money. It's about a freedom to create. Anyone can create anything into this particular software. If you are a student or a working professional or an engineer, you can do, you can convert your ideas and shape your future. Many great products, from medical devices up to the parts which is used in satellites, so these parts were developed into SolidWorks. So are you ready to shape the future with SolidWorks?